Hello friends, in this video I will show you new ChatGPT features that can save your time and boost your work. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools today, but many people are not using its latest features. Let me show you how it works. Type your question here, click enter and see the result. Now let's see how it works step by step. First open ChatGPT. How type your question here. For example, I will ask for a business idea. Click enter. You can see it gives a detailed answer. This is very helpful and save time. Now let's try image or file features. Click on upload option. Select your image or file. Now ask a question about this file. Click enter. You can see it understands the content and explains it. Now let's create content using ChatGPT. Type your idea here. For example, I will create a YouTube script. Click enter. You can see it generates content instantly. This is very useful for creators and businesses. You can see how easy and powerful this tool is. So friends, please subscribe for more AI tools and tips. See you in the next video with a new topic. Take care and thank you.